Hello, I'm Ted Jones, and we're here at MarineMax in Stuart on this beautiful 250 Outrage Boston Whaler. This boat's got it all. Twin 225 Mercury 4-strokes. This boat does have two live wells, one in the aft corner and one at the leaning post seat setup. The helm area of this boat at the dash is equipped fantastic. Raymarine GPS fish finder, stereo system, remote spotlight, VHF radio. Very easy to access everything when you're running the boat. It does have the seat bolster setups, so you can have the seats folded in a bolster position and stand, or sit down and be very comfortable with the armrests. It also has a big comfortable rear folding seat as well. Inside the console, access to your switches for your batteries, along with a marine head and plenty of storage. In the bow of the boat, anchor windlass, nice setup with stainless steel, along with a big casting platform area that also has the cushion package, so when you're with the family, hanging out at the sandbar or just enjoying the day, you're very, very comfortable. All right, for more information on this boat, or get it out and take a ride on it, which you'll absolutely love if you do, please feel free to give me a call. Ted Jones, MarineMax Stuart, 772-263-6743. Thank you for your time.